A very warm welcome to all of the new subscribers. This is part 3 of our Neuralink series. Today we will explore the highlights of the Neuralink product demonstration and compare the Neuralink neurological implant to devices currently on the market. Welcome to the Cuzza Finance Show. If you like the content, consider subscribing, ring that notification bell and hit the like button. I would like to hear your thoughts on Neuralink, so let me know in the comments below. Parts 1 and 2. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2 in this series, the links are in the description below. Recruiting. The Neuralink product demonstration was not only designed to showcase the technological advancements the company has experienced, it was also designed to recruit more highly technical and specialized members for the Neuralink team. The career roles vary from microfabrication engineer to animal behavior technician. The list goes on. If you are interested in joining the team, the link is in the description below. Solving neurological disorders. The Neuralink neurological implant will initially be used to solve generalized neurological illnesses that everyone experiences at some point in their lifetime. This includes but is not limited to the conditions shown on screen now. This is due to the brain's transmission of electrical signals that can be altered or even blocked, eventually curing these neurological conditions. Current neurological devices versus Neuralink. Neuralink is aiming to improve upon the current neurological technology by miniaturization and increasing the efficiency. We will now compare the ETORO array, deep brain stimulation, and the Neuralink. ETORO array. The ETORO array has 100 channels per array. Rigid spikes are inserted using an air hammer. Large wires and boxes containing the components are visible on top of the skull. This increases risk of infection. A medical professional is required to prepare and monitor the device when in use. Deep brain stimulation. The brain stimulation unit has 8 to 16 channels per device. The unit can be used for therapy, however is unable to read or write high bandwidth data. During the implementation procedure, some brain matter is destroyed. Deep brain stimulation therapy has assisted over 150,000 patients. Neuralink. The Neuralink unit has 1024 channels per device. For high-speed encrypted data transfer, the unit is 23mm by 8mm, or 0.9 inches by 0.31 inches. Neuralink does not protrude from the skull and has temperature and pressure sensors. The unit has all-day battery life and charges wirelessly. Neuralink version 0.9 does require smartphone connectivity, so has a 5m to 10m or 16-foot to 32-foot range. Neuralink implementation procedure. You must undergo a simple medical procedure to implant the Neuralink device within your brain. The procedure lasts less than an hour and can be carried out with general anesthesia, allowing you to leave the medical facility the same day. The procedure consists of opening up a small section of the skull. The flexible electrodes are threaded into the brain using the Neuralink surgical robot. Due to the robot's precision, there is little to no bleeding. The incision is then sealed. This procedure is fully reversible to allow for hardware upgrades. Key takeaways. The Neuralink presentation was designed to recruit more highly technical and specialized members for the team. The Neuralink neurological implant will initially be used to solve generalized neurological illnesses. Neuralink is superior in operation simplicity, configuration, and implementation when compared to other neurological implants. You must undergo a simple medical procedure to implant the Neuralink device within your brain. Do you want to trade Forex, stocks, indices and commodities commission-free? Then look no further than eToro. Connect with a global community of traders with more than 2,000 assets giving you access to top companies such as Tesla, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft and many more. Join free today with a link in the description box below. You are going to want to click on one of the two videos on screen now because they both contain an exceedingly powerful message that can help you on your investing journey.